I think there's something surreal about sitting inside of a fusion reactor and looking around and seeing equipment that I helped support and build, and knowing that one day this will be the world's, most substantial source of energy. Being even just the smallest contributor to that is very, very prideful. I'm fortunate enough to support the lab's primary project, NSTX-U, and I also get to collaborate on machines like D3D, West, and JT60SA. Whether it's through cameras or lasers or X-ray detectors, diagnostics are what is telling us what's going on in the machine, and we can't control or improve a plasma without that. Essentially the eyes and the ears. As a Norwegian American and growing up experiencing a culture that deeply cared about sustainable practices and renewable energy, I wanted to work within the energy sector. But coming out of my undergrad, I knew nothing about fusion. I was primarily looking for roles within solar and batteries, but I came across this rotational program at PPPL, and it looked like the perfect opportunity to dive into a form of renewable energy that I wasn't familiar with. And it also allowed me to work on a variety of projects. And being in the national lab space, I knew that I would get exposure to the full engineering life cycle. So working on design, analysis, all the way through to installation and testing, which is a very valuable experience to have. Working here means being with some of the most influential and also passionate people in this field. And what's more impressive about those people is that they, take time out of their busy days to teach and mentor people like me.